Today, what are you having, Hadrian?
We are cutting my hair.
Yeah. So all we need is a clipper, some clips, and combs and water spray, and a pair of scissors. That's it. So first, I want to clip up his hair in the front. It's just purple clips, okay? Don't touch it, it's not painful. Alright. As you can see, his hair is quite long at the back. My clipper guard is set to number 3, which is a moderate level of trimming. I'm going to trim about this level, and keep in mind just using a scooping motion. Hadrian, can you please tilt down your head? So Hadrian, just look in the front, okay? For the side, you just need to be a little bit careful. You just do the same, scooping it up. But for this part, you kind of need to fold his ears. Okay. So I removed the clipper guard because I want to make a clear line here at the back. A clear edge, and also on the side of the ear. Just watch out the blades. So I'm trying to make a line like this, right? Kind of go curving down, and then a straight line right at the bottom here. So it seems like it's not too straight right now. Oh my goodness, so handsome! Okay, wait, don't move, okay? If you want to be a handsome boy, you need to stay where you are. So now I've took away the clips and I wanted to do the front part. We need to make it wet so it's easier for us to... Yeah, I'm trying to cut your hair. So it's really... Hadrian, okay, don't move. I'm cutting. You want to cut my hand?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, don't cut my hand, my finger. So I use the end of the comb here to help me make a clear line so I can cut the top layer easily. Try to keep your scissors at an angle so it gives the haircut a little more texture. This part is very important, Hadrian. Okay, don't move or you're gonna be an ugly boy, okay? Always cut vertically when you want some more layers. When blending the hair back here, twist the hair and cut vertically like this. So here I wanted to make a more Korean style hairband, so I'm going to make the hairband more slanted to the left. So as you can see, I'm using the scissors at an angle so you can have a more natural looking haircut. And also I want to make a better curve here. So I'm going to trim a little bit more. So it's done! Not a perfect professional haircut, but I think I can live with it. What do you guys think? Comment below. Hadrian, you like your haircut? Whoa! Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can watch our latest videos. See you next time. Bye bye.